About a year ago, I made 2 videos about Vitality health insurance. First, about how the rewards points work, and secondly, hacks on how you can get more out of it than you put in. Since then, a lot has changed, so it's clearly time for another review. As this is a personal finance channel, I will be focusing more on whether you're getting value for money. Also, I've only bought the medical insurance, so not the life insurance or investments. So unfortunately, I won't be reviewing those today. So let's get started. First, what is Vitality? Vitality is an insurance company offering life insurance, health insurance, and since last year, they have also expanded into investments and credit cards. Vitality's approach to medical insurance has been different from other health insurance providers, in the sense that you don't need to claim medical expenses to benefit. Their proposition is rather simple. If you keep yourself fit and healthy, therefore less chance of getting sick in the first place, they will reward you. You win by being healthy and getting rewards. They win by having to pay out less in medical expenses. And the way Vitality works out how healthy you've been is on a points-based system. In a nutshell, Vitality has 2 kinds of points. One kind you earn for being active, intuitively named active points. These are points you get for running, regular gym attendance and other workouts. For example, a 12,000 step earns you 8 points, or a gym visit earns you 5 points. The other kind of point you get is for doing online checks, getting your medical test results, or quitting smoking. Some rewards are only available based on active points, as mentioned earlier. Other rewards are based on your membership status, which comes in 4 tiers: bronze, silver, gold and platinum. Both active and non-active points go towards your membership status. So Vitality rewards customers for being healthy, and customers win rewards by staying healthy. Sounds like the perfect plan, right? Well, not so fast. In my previous video, I broke down how generous they've been with their reward scheme to the point you could substantially get more out than what you pay in. For example, if you had 2 people on your plan and you were active enough, you would get free cinema tickets, discounted gym membership, discount on groceries, etc. Have a look at this. This is my last year's 6-month statement showing £850 of savings, while over the same period I paid roughly £290. I've linked that video in the description if you want to understand those savings further. However, Vitality's generosity was coming at a cost, and you could see that in their payouts for both medical claims and rewards. It was obvious that they would not be able to sustain those benefits indefinitely, especially as the customer base grew, and therefore I predicted they would have to scale back on those benefits. So did they cut back? Yes, the rewards have been scaled back as forecasted. Previously, each member of your plan would get a free cinema ticket every week if you hit 12 active points for the week. So if there's 2 of you under the plan, that means every week each of you could watch a movie at Cineworld or View Cinemas for free. In addition, you'd get a free Starbucks coffee each. Sounds like the perfect way to end a Friday evening after work, get a coffee and watch a movie. Now you'll need to hit the 12 points for 2 consecutive weeks, then you get 1 cinema ticket every other week. So it's twice as hard and half the reward. There's also no partnership with Starbucks anymore, or Ocado, as they've been replaced with Caffè Nero and Waitrose. With regards to the membership tier rewards, you used to get up to 40% off British Airways flights and Eurostar, but this reward no longer exists and have been replaced with something more modest: 20% off Expedia hotel bookings. Not quite the same, is it? Although these great rewards are now gone, I was lucky enough to have enjoyed them early on. That's not to say they are not worthwhile rewards anymore. Remember, Vitality still offers the Apple Watch, Amazon Prime membership, 50% off gym discounts, Rakuten TV as well, where you can watch recent movies online, as well as discount with other partners. So it's still possible to get more out of Vitality than you put in. But it's much harder than before, and for many of us, we may not have the time to be that active to benefit. Nevertheless, it still turns out to be cheaper than other competitors because of those benefits. So what's the verdict? Well, previously, the major attraction to Vitality was the fact that you got rewarded for being healthy and thus benefiting without claiming for a medical expense. This is still the case, but as we saw, the benefits have been scaled back. And that was inevitable given that at the end of the day they are running a business and those rewards were not sustainable. Those who were with Vitality early on, like myself, managed to get amazing benefits for sure, but I think it's still worthwhile. If you're a very active person, you may be able to benefit more. So I hope you find this useful. If you're considering getting Vitality Health Insurance, then please feel free to use my referral link in the description and we both get a £50 Amazon voucher. Thanks for watching and see you next time.